We'll guide you through how to use Trello to drag and add attachment. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want a faster way to add attachments using drag and drop in Trello. This method saves time compared to manual uploads, helping users manage files more efficiently, streamline their workflow, and keep tasks organized without switching between multiple windows repeatedly. To begin this tutorial, open your browser on your computer. Then go to Trello.com by typing the website address into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the website loads, click Login to access your account. After that, click on the email field and type your email address correctly so you can proceed to the next step. Then click Continue to move forward in the login process. Enter your password in the provided field, making sure it is correct, and click Login to access your account successfully. After you're logged in, open the board you want to use so you can manage your tasks in the correct workspace. Next, click Add a Card to create a new task where you will add an attachment using the drag and drop method. Enter a title according to your needs, for example, drag and add attachment, so the purpose of the card is clearly identified. Then click Add Card to save the task and add it to your board. After creating the card, click on the card that you have created to open its detailed view and prepare it for adding attachments. Now, split your screen into two sections, for example, by placing File Explorer on one side as shown in the video, so you can easily access your files while working on Trello at the same time. This setup helps you drag files more efficiently without switching between windows. Next, choose the image or attachment you want to use from your computer, then drag it directly into the card on the Trello screen. Release the file when it is over the card area, so the upload process can begin automatically. Once the process is complete, you will see that the image has been successfully added to your card. The attachment will appear inside the card details, making it easy to access, preview, or manage as needed.